Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif Rashid and I am the student of Chemical Engineering in final year at Comsats University. And here is my class fellow Faisal Nawaz. We are going to present the large scale industrial development in Pakistan. For the industrial development, first comes the industrial policy of Pakistan. This policy includes the broad-based industrialization to attain the prosperity and successful implementation of policies. Second comes the structure of industry in Pakistan and its export potential. Pakistan ranked 55th worldwide in factory output and Pakistan industrial sector accounts for 24% of GDP. Cotton, textile and apparel manufacturing are Pakistan's largest industry, accounting for about 66% of merchandise export and almost 40% the employed labor force. First comes the textile industry of Pakistan. Textile is the premier industry and backbone of Pakistan's economy. It generates, constitutes employees, and contributes 7.4% to the total GDP. This pie chart explains the total investment in textile from year 1999 to 2010. Textile and clothing has been the main driver of Pakistan exports. 70 to 80% of total cotton and synthetic production is exported. Pakistan is the fourth largest producer of cotton. Investment of about US $7.5 billion has been made in textile industry during the last 10 years. The major strength of textile industry is due to the good market for products, large domestic markets, cheap availability of labor, and the large production of cotton and volume of yarn with synthetic fiber in various fields. The weaknesses in textile industry are due to value addition is low and low unit prices, limited marketing know-how. Pakistan's image continues to that of low quality and due to the shortage of energy. For the development of textile industry in Pakistan, Textile Policy 2009 to 2014, the government mainly focuses on the large investment in textile industry and on research and development for the development in textile industry. Here is the government initiative for the development of textile industry, which includes the increased market access through PTAs and FTAs, removal of sales tax on textile chain, R&D support during 2005 to 2008, National Textile Strategy Committee, Textile Policy Initiative, Infrastructure, Skills Development, Technology, Upgradation, Supply of Raw Material, Guinea Institute, etc. This bar chart explains the textile machinery imports during the last 10 years, which is maximum in year 2003 and minimum in year 2000. This bar chart explains the export of Pakistan textiles, which was at maximum in year 2011 and minimum in year. Next comes the automotive industry of Pakistan. The total sales in year 2010 increased by 16.37% in automotive industry. The auto industry was operating at 37% of installed capacity in year 2009 and it is expected that 20% growth in sales in year. Pakistan has the second highest number of CNG powered vehicles in the world with more than 1.5 million cars and passenger buses. Investment in automotive sector stood at US $70.2 million in July 8 to April 2009. Despite recessionary phase, Indus Motors Company and Honda Autolus Cars launched new models for their key products. Next come the energy, power, oil and gas. Due to the increasing demand of electricity and power in country, the government is looking forward to produce the energy by different sources like microhydral, bioenergy, ocean waste to energy hydral cells. Custom duty at the rate of 5% applicable on import of plant machinery and equipments not manufactured locally for power.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Faisal Nawaz and I'm going to explain further industries in Pakistan. First comes fertilizer industry. There are 10 fertilizer units in Pakistan, 6 in public sector and 4 in the private sector, having an installed capacity of 4.3 million tons. Next comes the cement industry of Pakistan. Cement is the one of the major industries of Pakistan, contributes 0.76% to GDP. The country at present has 29 cement plants with an installed capacity of producing around 39 million tons. Pakistan is ranked 5th in the world's cement export after a huge increase of 47% in exports during last fiscal year. Pakistan could achieve the mark of 13 to 14 million tons export by the end of the fiscal year, keeping in view Indian market, which has once again started importing cement from Pakistan. This chart shows the export of cement during the last 10 years. This is the list of huge cement producing industries in Pakistan. Next comes the chemical industry of Pakistan. There are 12 chemical factories in Pakistan producing different chemicals such as soda, sulfuric acid, etc. The contribution of chemical industry towards GNP is only 3%. That's why the industry is not fulfilling the domestic requirement. Engineering industry in Pakistan. There are 4 heavy engineering industries in public sector in Pakistan. First, heavy mechanical complex Texla. Second one, heavy foundry project Texla. Third, Pakistan machine tools factory Landi. Fourth, Pakistan Steel Mills Karachi. Fifth, Pakistan Ordnance Factory Wa, Defense Production. Sixth, Karachi Shipyard and Engineering. The weakening of large-scale product manufacturing sector. A key weakness of the Pakistan economy is traceable to the non-availability and high price of energy. Pakistan's energy mix is skewed heavily towards the most expensive sources of energy, with more than 64% for thermal versus 33% from hydro. While coal has negligible contribution, hence it is imperative to invest in energy generation with more use of coal, hydro and imported gas. Pakistan's energy consumption stands in contrast to almost all industrial economies, with domestic use of electricity 46%. This chart shows the top 10 crude steel production countries from 2007. Projects in progress in Pakistan. The government will facilitate the establishment of a petrochemical complex near a major port, a refinery as a private-public partnership. It will involve setting up a naphtha cracking facility for the production of olefins, aromatic petrochemicals complex linked with new refineries. Now comes the production of defense equipments. Pakistan's Al Khalid tank, widely considered one of the most competent main battle tanks in the global arms market, has received an update according to Grand Strategy sources. This new version of Al Khalid is said to be ready for the production, although orders are yet to be placed for production to begin. Joint venture to manufacture JF-17 Thunder jets. Pakistan Aeronautical Complex and Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation of China has successfully manufactured JF-17 Thunder jet for Pakistan Air Force, having advanced technology of US F-16. Following are the joint ventures between Pakistan and China: Quadriport, Thargol, Shahrah-e-Karam, China Mobile, such like Zong. Investment of $2 billion in telecom sector of Pakistan.
Thank you very much for watching this presentation.